Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the game is updated and you're online. This avoids hiccups when the server checks occur. Once done, open Among Us and go straight to Settings, then Account, then Link Account to start. You'll be prompted for an email. Use one you control. This becomes your recovery ID. Enter it carefully so verification codes arrive. Make sure notifications or spam filters won't block mail, because the next step requires a code from that inbox to prove ownership. You'll receive a verification code via email. Check your primary and spam folders immediately because codes usually expire fast. Once the code arrives, return to the game and paste or type it into the verification field, then submit. If you're linking via Steam, Apple, or Google, choose the platform option and confirm account permissions. This ties game progress to that platform. Make sure you approve any permission. Prompts so Among Us can read your public ID, but won't get unnecessary access. Once the code verifies, confirm the linked email shown in Settings and note it for future recovery. You should then log out and back in to validate that your cosmetics, friends, and progress persist. This ensures the link is active. If something goes wrong, try resending the code, use a different browser or device for email, and check your phone or computer clock is accurate. The wrong time can invalidate time-limited codes. Finally, contact support with the confirmed email if problems remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.